We talked about it just a minute ago, Dina. The folks in Pine Valley down in southern Utah are under a mandatory evacuation order right now because of the Forsyth fire. And I'm looking at the numbers right behind you. That's
Hot.
Salt Lake City. That's not down in southern Utah, of course, where it's a lot hotter.
It was a lot hotter. It was about 106 degrees there today and windier than it was here in northern Utah. So fire danger continues. Record-breaking heat today at 104 degrees. That old record, about 85 years old there. 101 in 1940, long ago, and very warm across the state. Our high temperatures today were well over 100 for a lot of places, and even in Provo it was 98 degrees there, 100 for Vernal, and 106 in St. George. A hot day, really, no matter how you look at it. 95 degrees our current temperature. It is still, as they like to say, unpleasant outside, depending on how you look at it. Some people really like the heat, so I guess it just depends what your attitude is, right? 95 here in Salt Lake, 93 in Hanksville, 90 in Moab. It's pretty nice in Bryce Canyon, 72 degrees, but you've had a lot of smoke there because of that France Canyon fire that's near you. Now, our red flag warning continues for Friday and into Saturday for much of the state because of that low humidity and very gusty winds that continue. And with the winds brings that smoke. We'll continue to see hazy skies here in northern Utah and really smoky conditions and dusty conditions in the afternoon tomorrow across south central Utah. So places like Bryce Canyon and here along Highway 12 into Capitol Reef and all the way into Moab, Canyonlands, Arches, and San Juan County. Just a lot of smoke for you across south and southeastern Utah on Saturday. The predominant wind flow will still be southwest or west-southwest in the next couple of days, so you'll still be underneath some of that smoky skies that'll be out there. Now today that high temperature was 104 and our sunset, well, we're approaching the solstice. It was at 9:02 this evening. Very exciting. Tomorrow is the summer solstice. It's here on Friday, June 20th. So the northern hemisphere, if you remember from your science class, the earth is on a tilt. It's not just straight up and down. So the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun. So tomorrow is the longest day of the year, and kind of a bummer that after that the days get shorter, but tomorrow you can enjoy 15 hours and 6 minutes of glorious daylight, and that sunset is at 8:42 p.m. in the evening. So a nice long hot day for tomorrow, and then it cools off on Saturday, of course. So clear skies tonight, but it's so warm that it's not really going to cool off. And tomorrow the wind is really going to pick up ahead of our next storm system. We're expecting wind gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour tomorrow, and it will still be windy across southeastern Utah again late on Saturday as that frontal passage goes through. So there's the disturbance that's moving in, bringing with it much cooler air on Saturday. Overnight it will be mild. Temperatures will be in the 70s here in Salt Lake and in St. George. Tomorrow not quite as warm, 96 degrees in Salt Lake City tomorrow, and it'll be 101 here in southern Utah, and then it'll be a little less than 100 on Saturday and Sunday. The cool down is coming and it arrives on Saturday, so 90s tomorrow and a much nicer and cooler weekend.